Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. This is going to be a quick, easy video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to extract your XT60 lead and your balance lead off of dead batteries. These are three 4S LiPo batteries that have died. This one from a crash, it's very damaged, it's actually leaking, so in my ammo can it just reeks of chemical. So this one's going in the trash as soon as I'm done. And the other two, this one was just a damaged pack from a crash. I decided to discharge it. It was fine. I can't trust it because of the damage. And then this one, I had two of these. These are Xylo. I love the Xylo brand, but both batteries just had one cell go completely zero. It was the craziest thing. They turned themselves into 3S batteries that then became unsafe. So I just discharged this one out. As you can see, this is probably the best looking dead battery I've ever had. So don't buy the Xylo brand batteries. Everything else so far that I've had of theirs is pretty good. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set your DC, set your volt ohms meter to DC. That's honestly step one. You want to double, triple check that every single battery is reading like no voltage. So that's 1.5. That's about as low as it's probably ever going to get. And that's combined, by the way. So that's all four cells together. This one's like nothing at all. So this one's completely dead. This one is showing about 1.5 volts. That's after being on the discharger. I discharge them. I let them sit. They rebound a little bit. I discharge them out again. This one's reading about 2 volts, so this one's actually got a little bit more. And they've all been on the discharger, but I like to put like something on them to see if they have anything, and they don't. They are dead. So basically, combined voltage is about 2 volts, 1.5 volts, and like dead as dead could be. That's the safety measure you're going to want to take first. Make sure they're discharged, because when you cut these things off, you're going to need to, recycle them or throw them away. Get your little cutters here and cut the negative wire off first as close as you can to the battery. And the reason we do that is so we can bend it out of the way and make sure these two don't bridge. Even with a little bit of voltage, we don't want to accidentally create a short. Now we can reuse this for another battery or another project. That's the beauty of this. Same thing goes for the balance leads. Now you're going to probably be tempted to cut straight across and cut all of the balance leads off at once. Don't do that, especially if they're not discharged. If they're discharged, it's probably okay, but we're not going to take any chances. So we cut the odd wire off first, and then again we kind of just roll them out and make sure that we're not bridging any of the wires. You could, again, with them completely discharged, you could cut them all at once and probably not have any issues, but again, I'm a safety guy and I like to make sure that we're doing this safely. And you just want to cut them one at a time. There you go. That's it. Now you've got yourself a 4S balance lead for when you damage yours. There's electric tape on all of these. I actually do that to my batteries because I found that it works really well to protect them from the props. And if you've ever had a prop strike on your balance lead or your XT60, you know how frustrating that can be. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.